So guys, any business account will be maintained for Instagram or Facebook option. So if your Instagram purpose, we can use it for a lot of mobile and a lot of tools are there. Nothing required that option will be here. If Instagram post purpose, we can use option will be Facebook page option. Which option? Facebook page. First of all, your Facebook page will be connecting for Instagram account using for Facebook page and setting. We can using for Instagram. Who will be page admin? They can do this option. Here will be activated for the our Instagram will be connecting for Facebook page. How to know this? So what are the roles will be here? Every roles will be given by in the particular option. Only admin can do this to activate to connect with your Facebook page to Instagram account. So the compulsory we have to notify the particular option. Now, if you are posting for Instagram purpose, same year, one option you have to change. Business dot we can using for business dot facebook.com slash we can have to using in this option. In a Google place, I'm using for Facebook option. After slash, we have to activate further your particular page name and enter it. So same URL, same. In the before Facebook, you enter for business.facebook.com. The main purpose is called editing we can sharing for Facebook and Instagram field. First of all, here will be select upload image. What are the image you have to publish it? Select it in this copy here in this option. So what are the parameters we can use? Link, selecting Instagram, and we can selecting for different pages also. This also group will be selecting. And then we can sharing for Facebook page, Instagram and group also. So here you can using for particular hashtag option. So then we'll be sharing for Facebook page and Instagram and group also. Share now. After this one, where I'm sharing for Facebook page, where is updating for Instagram also. So just a few seconds, the updating for Instagram also here. Now the post will be going to update here. We have to wait for up to update this option. Once post will be done, we can checking for Instagram also here done by here. And the same option we can upload by the video for where Instagram and Facebook page purpose. That small correction will be there. That use option will be called facebook.com fast creator studio option. But this is changing for new method upload by the in the video from Instagram to Facebook option. Using for Facebook creator studio option. Simple. Video format we can using for Facebook creator studio. Image one we can use this option business.facebook.com slash your page URL and update for your image auto update by the Instagram and Facebook page option. Along with one group also will be applicable. After that, you can promote any video. Just in this, the video will be particular size will be 60 seconds compulsory will be here. Now, upload option, select video. So which is video will be here. We can use this video only for we can using for 60 seconds video here. Facebook page. So enter and promoting here. Copy, paste it, website URL. Now click for publish. Here adding for add details. When click add details, you will be publishing for this option will be here. Add image. So what are the parameters are there? Upload it and click for save. and click for continue. For error will be here. Now just here, wait for some seconds and publish for your video will be here. Click for save option. So video will be error. Just you have to wait for, hold on the particular seconds. So we can use simple, just getting some error here. You have to wait for some seconds. Just close, confirm it. Here will be posting in this. Check for Instagram. Video will be published. Now check for here. Upload in this option. We can go to start for uploading for Facebook also will be here. Next, publish now. Click for publish option. Sometime we'll be getting some error. So we can upload for this pass also will be using for in the Facebook page. So recently this changing option will be there. After uploading Instagram, we can use upload for where Facebook option. Now we can go for refresh it. We can check this option will be here. The video will be publishing for Instagram to Facebook. When upload will be video that we will using for Creator Studio option where Instagram to Facebook page. So we can upload it for image. Just we can upload it for where Facebook business page to we can upload it for Instagram also. business.facebook.com/ your username compulsory we have to use on the particular option. You can use and upload the things and utilize by your particular post. Don't use any other third-party apps. Any third-party tools will be not required to share content from Instagram by using Facebook page.